Okay, hi everyone. It's Professor Sebastian back to our statistics class notes. We're now on page 49, and we're talking about the trend, the strength, and the shape of scatter plots. And we're down to shape, and I want to make sure that you understand the difference between linear and nonlinear. We will only work with linear trends. So a nonlinear trend is where we can actually see trends in the data, but they're not linears, they're nonlinear. That is, trends that are better modeled by a curve, not a line. So these are definite examples of these are really strong but not linear trends. These scatter plots show that there is a strong positive nonlinear trend between number of days and both total number of cases of Ebola and total deaths. It's two trends in one graph. All right, so writing descriptions of associations. When writing a description of an association between two numerical variables, always include the following: the trend, the shape, and the strength. So remember, for trend, we want to say if it's positive, negative, or no trend. For shape, we want to make sure we say it's linear or nonlinear. And for strength, strong or weak. In addition, mention any observations that don't fit the general trend, if any outliers that don't really fit the general trend. So describing associations, how would we describe the association between the serving size, X, the serving size for various fast food items, and their caloric content, how many calories they have? So first of all, I would say, well, at least the beginning, very strong, but overall, fairly strong. So strong, positive, right, up a hill, and linear. Doesn't seem like I should fit another curve through it. So strong, positive, linear association. And then we want to make a statement: as X increases, then Y tends to also increase. Or tends to increase. So as the serving size of fast food items increases, as X increases, their number of calories, which is Y, tends to increase. As the serving size of fast food items increases, their number of calories tends to increase.